Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into groundbreaking research and innovative algorithms. Today, we'll be exploring an intriguing paper titled Improving Efficiency of A Priori Algorithm Using Cache Database, published in August 2013 in the International Journal of Computer Applications. This paper was authored by Priyanka Asthana and Divakar Singh from the Computer Science Department at BIT, Bhopal. Let's dive into the details and understand how this research enhances the well-known a priori algorithm. To start, let's refresh our memory on what the a priori algorithm is. The a priori algorithm is a classic approach used in data mining to discover frequent item sets in transactional databases. It identifies associations between items by finding item sets that appear frequently together. However, the original a priori algorithm has a major drawback. It requires multiple scans of the database, which can be time-consuming and inefficient, especially with large data sets. The paper by Asthana and Singh proposes an innovative solution to this inefficiency. Their approach introduces a new algorithm, referred to as a priori with cache database, a priori CDB. This algorithm aims to improve the efficiency of the a priori algorithm by minimizing the number of database scans required. Here's how it works. Instead of repeatedly scanning the entire database, the proposed algorithm scans the database just once. During this initial scan, it creates a cache database using a hash map to store information about each transaction. This cache is then used for subsequent searches, dramatically reducing the overhead of scanning the entire database for every operation. The authors leverage hash functions and binary strings to create this cache database. Hash functions map data to a fixed size, which helps in quick lookups, and binary strings represent the presence or absence of items in a transaction. This method improves efficiency by allowing rapid access to data without repeatedly scanning the entire database. The paper also discusses the hash-based a priori method, which reduces the number of candidate item sets by using hash tables. This approach helps in minimizing computational overhead during the item set generation phase. To address various issues related to database scans, the paper introduces several enhancements. The primary advantages include reduced scanning time. By using a cache database, the time required for each search operation is reduced significantly. Increased efficiency. The method improves overall efficiency by avoiding multiple scans of the database. Enhanced security. The use of binary strings in the cache database can offer added security. The experimental results showcased in the paper highlight the effectiveness of the a priori CDB algorithm. When compared to the traditional a priori algorithm and the a priori with time slice algorithm, the proposed method consistently outperforms them in terms of execution time. For various dataset sizes, the a priori CDB algorithm demonstrated faster performance and reduced time complexity. For instance, in one experiment, the a priori CDB algorithm showed significantly lower execution times for both small and large datasets compared to the other algorithms. This improvement is crucial for real-life applications where time efficiency is paramount. In conclusion, the research by Priyanka Asthana and Divakar Singh offers a compelling enhancement to the a priori algorithm by introducing a caching mechanism that reduces scanning time and increases efficiency. This approach is particularly valuable for handling large datasets and complex transaction records. Thanks for joining us on this detailed exploration of the a priori CDB algorithm. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of cutting-edge research. And if you have any questions or thoughts about the algorithm, feel free to drop them in the comments below.